In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Dropbox from keeping files on your hard drive. This can be a huge help if you're looking to save space on your computer while still having access to all your important files in the cloud. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by locating the Dropbox icon on your computer. If you're using Windows, look towards the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Mac users can find this in the menu bar at the top right. Click on that Dropbox icon to open up a menu. Next, find your avatar. It might look like a profile picture or initials depending on how you've set up your Dropbox account. It's located in the top right corner of this menu. Give it a click and you'll see a drop down list. From here you'll choose Preferences. This is where we can fine tune which files you want to keep locally on your hard drive and which ones you'll manage from the cloud. Once you're in the Preferences menu, go ahead and click on the Sync tab. This is where the real magic happens. The options you'll see might differ slightly depending on whether you're using a Windows computer or a Mac, but don't worry, I'll guide you through both. For Windows users, you'll look for the Selective Sync section. There you need to click on Modify. On a Mac, you'll see an option that reads Select folders to sync to this Mac. Click on Modify here. Both options bring you to the same kind of menu where you can choose which folders you want to be actually stored on your hard drive. In this list you'll see all the folders currently syncing through Dropbox. You have complete control here. Simply check the boxes of the folders you wish to keep on your hard drive. Alternatively, if there are folders you no longer need to store locally, uncheck those boxes. This is a great way to say goodbye to those files you don't need immediate access to, thus freeing up precious storage space on your device. With your selections made, you'll want to click the Update button to apply the changes. You might see something like Apply or Confirm instead, but the key is to ensure your selections are saved. Once updated, Dropbox will take care of the rest, automatically syncing according to your preferences. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to manage your Dropbox content without eating up your local storage. This straightforward process ensures you still have access to all your files, just one step removed from your personal hard drive. Thanks for joining us today and enjoy the newfound space on your computer.